Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I have a new fix for you guys for the Cartizan Carplay unit for your MIB1 or MIB2 Golf. What this fix is a small change to the wiring that actually that will improve your audio quality if the Carplay unit is connected through AUX. So what this does is we're gonna add another ground wire to the kit. It comes with the kit, but it is not really clearly explained why this can be necessary in some cases. If you connect this ground to your car, the frame of your car, the chassis, it will reduce noise in your audio quality. It is pretty dark in here, but I have some artificial lighting, and yeah, we're gonna see if it works. So stay tuned. What you're gonna be needing, this little handy thing, which is I think it's called a wire clipper, something like that. These Torx sets that we're gonna use, because here in the back you can see this aluminum brace that if you've watched my previous video, you can see that I've attached the CarPlay box to this aluminum brace with the zip tie. You have this whole bunch of wires that comes from the CarPlay wiring loom, and there's one little wire, which is this one, the black one, is the ground. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to prepare the wire with this clip so that the copper is basically bare. So the way to do this is like this. Very easy to do with a wire clipper like this. Okay, so I found the right Torx. You can just unscrew this bolt here. A bit of wiggling. There you go. If you want to go true haggard, you can just put the wire in there, and then you're good. But I want to do this a nice way, so we're gonna see if one of these things fit. Yeah, that will do the trick. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna twist the wire like that. Put it in there. Are very nice wire clippers. Pinch it like this. There you go. Okay, it's tight, it's very tight. That's nice. Okay, car turned off, so that's done. I hope you can see it, guys. But now, let's just wiggle this. So there's not enough room here. Okay, let's just zoom in there. You can see the black wire from the loom. I attached it here to this bolt here. I tightened it. If I pull it, yeah, it's very stuck. Now, this is a good ground point, because really you don't have a lot of options here. But if that makes good contact with the metal, then you should be good to go. So right now, it's as easy as clicking everything back together. Just put this little arm in here. Like that. And that is how you improve your audio quality on a Cartizan CarPlay kit for your MK7 Golf. Okay, so the ground wire fix is done. I don't think if I'm gonna listen to something right now that you will immediately hear the difference, but what I will do is I will keep an eye on this, and I will report back in a week or in 2 weeks and report if I heard an improvement or less noise, whatever. So yeah, stay tuned for that. But for now, yeah, pretty easy fix. If you have the kit, make sure you do this if you think the audio quality is not good enough. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. I'll add it to the list of the CarPlay video section. And yeah, if you like this, please like, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.